Hi all, welcome to another Play Chess com Bullet Banter Blitz. I'm hoping audio is okay, just let me know. So let's have some bullet games tonight. So I'll do this Tango to start off with. I'm trying to weaken those dark squares. So I'm going to pigeonhole my bishop. Oh, he should have castled. That's good news, I think. I'll hit f2 here. There's bishop e3. Oh, because knight e3 and then I fought the king and queen. Oh, I don't think he wanted this position in a hurry. So his king's misplaced. Let's go for e4, knight e5. This looks very nice. I think I've got a ready-made attack here. Maybe h5, h4. Trying to weaken the king side somewhat. Knight h5 to f4 maybe. Well, this looks good. With queen g3, knight f3, bishop d4. Knight f3 check here looks very good. Oh, his queen is hanging. Oh, it's a collapse. It's a collapse. Okay. Okay. Dead or dead? Okay, again a tango. The black knight tango. Now I've misplayed actually the move order technically. One should really more safely start with knight f6 for the black knight tango, not an immediate knight c6. There's a particular reason for that. No, white hasn't really committed the c pawn, but that hasn't happened here clearly. But I have got immediate pressure now on f2 and h2. So this is big trouble because of knight f2. That bishop's lethal here. Okay, let's torture this knight over here. Maybe queen b2 is threatened. I'll take this guy. e4 wins a piece, I think. Queen g7 I castle, and then bishop e4, queen e2. So queen g7, I think I just castle queenside. So I'm just overloading the bishop here. So queen e2 to follow, I believe. Okay, I don't think that does too much. Let's queen this pawn. Alright, okay. Let's try again. Alright, let's do this in this case. And try and avoid bishop g7. Try and oh, hang on, I shouldn't be pre-moving there. That's very dangerous because he could have played bishop takes f6. That would be a very, very dangerous pre-move. No need for that. Danger. Level. Alright, this is a bit awkward. Oh, hang on, there's bishop a3 on the cards. Oh, hang on, queen e4. Can I do this? He's putting me, he's questioning my position tactically. I'm wondering if I can get away with this. Okay. That should be okay. Now maybe e4 coming up and then f4 to try and weaken his control of d4. Try and play for f3 maybe. Okay, d4 dropping there. Now there's e3. This looks very good. Okay, I'll take it here. There's queen h3 if he's not careful. Bang. Checkmate. Yeah, that pinned pawn there. Alright, again I'm playing with knight c6. Alright, so here, okay, I'll take that. I'll throw in this. I've seen Magnus Carlsen play this check. Not here, but this move now. I think I'll play it like this, just to try and make sure a knight's not coming to c3. I want to answer h5 by g5 to keep things closed here. I don't think there's a sacrifice on. I'll pre-move that. Okay, so e5 pressure here. Oh, he's letting me have this pawn. I can't see a reason why that's too dangerous in this position. If I take here and then queen f6, this should be okay. Held by the knight. Can I play d6 after? Alright, d5 here. Oh, am I giving up a pawn? No. Hang on, I'll take his queen off first. He has got a check, I just take. So I think I've simplified here. Let's have the knight coming to f5 to torture d4. Let's support this first. Pre-move, then knight f5. I want to bear down, maybe knight h4 and take this e-file. I think knight h4 here is going to be good. Okay, change your plan. I think knight h4 still coming in with knight h4 here. I can take that, can't I? There's a check, but I don't think that does too much. Oh, bit of a hiss worries me. Okay, another one. Okay. Oh, okay. Let's go for this. He has got king e3. Let's deprive the knight of e5 and play for c5. Oh, hang on. Knight e6 could be dangerous. Oh, he's going to get one of these pawns in some way. Hang on. Not f5 though. Not the f5 square. Can I play for d4? And here. And c4 at some point. Hang on, take here. Okay, keep this one just in case. Well, that's a useful simplification. These pawns look as though they should be handy. These extra pawns. Okay, I don't think that's a problem. Oh, it's still playing on. Okay, that's no problem there in that endgame. I hope you guys enjoying the Lila chess series on stream. Let me know. I hope you've enjoyed. I didn't have much time today, I'm afraid, so I only did one. Lila's doing extremely well in stage 2 of that Chess Computer Championship. Which I'm very glad for, actually, because the TSAC had some issues, so I don't think I could cope without a month of Lila chess games. I think I'm addicted now to that style of creative play. I don't know about you guys, but I found that it's very addictive for me to witness like dynamic play. Very dynamic, aggressive play is something. It's like caffeine for me. The chess equivalent of caffeine is to witness dynamic, aggressive games. So we seem to be witnessing a lot of those recently from Lila Chess, which I hope you guys enjoy as much as me. So, okay, so let's see, Bishop d2. Now, I'm wondering if Rook h5, Knight g5 is going to be handy. I can throw in this check, and then I think I want to play for Rook h5, Knight g5 here, potentially. Okay, that Rook's now pinned. Oh no, the Queen's, protecting the Rook. Pardon me. Okay, let's get that Bishop out of there. Now, I could risk losing on time here. Down to my last 28. Okay, what if the Queen's centralized? Knight g5, Rook h7. Maybe Knight g5, Rook h7. Rook on the 7th is handy, one would hope. Maybe e6 is handy to undermine. Or here, okay, stop Queen at a2. And try and play for d6, I think, if I get the chance to hit a8. Threatening Queen a8, checkmate. I don't donate any cause to the Lila project. I haven't got a decent graphics card, but I welcome you guys to go and, if you've got a decent graphics card especially, you might want to check it out and get more understanding of the project. That'd be cool. It's a very exciting to be part of, actually, I think. Okay, so bishop going back over here. I think the light squares have been compromised. H4, G4. I'm doing it Lila style, I think. H4, this just... Because I've got this trump card already, I think I'm going to push my pawns aggressively here with G5, H5, G6. Okay, I'll take that en route, I think. That'll be safe to take en route. There is bishop D6, okay. I'll still go for G5, H5, that sort of thing, for G6, because this pawn is pinned here. So I'm thinking this G6, oh, mind you. Okay. That pawn's pinned now. Queen H6 is threatened here, I think. Takes, that's mate. Or is it? I think it is, even with knight H7. I think this is mating. Because my bishop's covering G8. Knight covers G7. Knight H7, rook H7 is mate. Okay. Cool. Okay, let's see. Is that Alou? Okay, so we're gone into a Ruy Lopez move order with a slightly aggressive bishop here. White's pawn structure seems a little bit passive on the passive side. What happens if we play G5 here? Just for fun. Okay, it is Banter bullet, so I'll be playing more wild than I normally would, which is wild anyway. So I'll play more wild than normal. So let's see what's happening here. Knight H3 check, and then takes here. That holds the pawn now with the rook. Queen G5, Queen H6. Queen G5, Queen H6. Okay, that pawn could drop off. Hang on. This might not be clever, I must admit. This is not looking clever at the moment. I can take here though now, and then knight F2. Knight F2 wins the queen. And then I guess I castle queenside. Okay, let's try a variety of opponents. And we're getting a rematch. What's happening here? Alright, let's try a king's Indian. Oh, I'll take this. I think that's interesting. And try and just keep the pawn. So it's a sort of Dutch stone wall with an extra pawn here. Oh, provoking weaknesses. Interesting. Okay. And if I try and spice things up, no, I don't think I need to just yet. I was tempted to sack a piece, but I think this has less regret associated with it. Trying to be sometimes normal, okay, occasionally. Let's take this guy, and that looks good. For C6 and E5 here, that would reinforce D5. Actually, I can just take here on that move. Okay, and yeah, I'll be greedy, I think. E5 coming up. Looks good for E4 here. E4. Mind you, D5 is for the taking. Yeah. Oh, now there's... Oh, that's dangerous. I could take here and then bishop E6. On knight F6, king G7. Oh, queen F6. Hang on, queen F6. Knight F6, because I'll be hitting his queen. Okay. Alright, the clock situation is a bit critical here. Let's try for some pre-moves. So rook D3 looks safe enough. This one looks safe enough. This is safe enough. Let's get the checks in. And E3. E2. Is it taking here? Or something? Queen E3. Alright, checkmate there. Okay, so let's see, knight F6. This oh, it's a London system. Let's do an anti-London system for fun. is there this... Well, this is unusual, isn't it? To play like this. Okay. I'll transpose it into a Stonewally setup. Because I think this, what has been played, is fairly untypical. Hang on a sec. So there's pressure on C3. Oh, pressure on D2 now. I can mount the pressure on D2. Bishop takes D2. It's coming up. Nope. Well, he can't castle, and I've got Bishop B5. Bishop B5 is on the cards. So that's good for Bishop D3. Queen B2, Bishop C3. I think this is good fun, this position, because of Bishop D3. So he can't castle, and there's Bishop D3 incoming. I've cut him from castling. So Bishop D3. There's E3 to think about here. So Bishop D2 coming up as a pre-move, I think. Let's do that as a pre-move to save a bit of time. I think that's a safe enough pre-move. Okay. Some safe pre-moves here. Bring the bishop back. Sort out that pawn over there. Take this guy. Looks safe enough. Rook C5 looks good. This is a safe pre-move, I think. Rook D5. I'll take here. Okay, that was looking okay. That London system seemed to be a bit dodgy. Okay, so E4. Let's go with D5 gaining space immediately here. It seems a bit provocative to encourage F4. I think I will take. Now, if takes, there's F5 or there's check. So I don't think this is that good, this idea, because anytime he castles, there's F5 breaking open that diagonal. Okay, maybe that's the point, but can I break open this diagonal anyway? Knight G5, maybe. Oh, now this is interesting for Queen H5. G6 is looking dodgy, but not too many options there. This looks dodgy with G7. Check to win the rook. Anything better than, I think I'll just take here and develop. Okay, so I'll take the F file, I think, and next protect against the mate threat. Maybe Queen H6 is handy. Here, Queen H6, hitting the bishop and the queen. Okay, his bishop's hit now. I think Rook F7. Oh, coming up. Okay, Rook F6. Okay, he'll play probably King E7. So I've still got an eye on E6. I think I need to start using this knight, this extra knight. So Knight E3 to F5 maybe, or Bishop E6. Okay, H3 Knight G4 would be an idea. Okay, here I'll protect this guy. Knight G4, H4 looks a reasonable pre-move. Knight E5 looks a reasonable pre-move. Here it looks safe enough, if it was possible. Okay, I've got the outside pawn here. I'll pre-move that. Okay, I'll give the bishop a square. Okay, a bishop. If the bishop comes over here, okay, cutting off for H6. I wanted to cut off the king there. Okay, so Knight C3 bolted. Okay, let's see. Xavier. Okay, let's play this Gambit here. Black Merdima or something, isn't it? Oh, this. Okay, this might be a little bit unfortunate. I think he's played the right way. To be a bit scary here. Am I gonna get in big trouble? It looks likely I could be in big trouble here. Maybe not like that though. I thought there was another way to celebrate the position he had. I seem to be winning a piece the way he's played it. So I'm attacking the queen. I'm attacking d6. As long as there isn't a check. But anyway, the knight's actually protecting the queen here. So this is okay, I think. Let's just castle here. Okay, so this looks okay, but b2 might be an issue. I'll get round connecting the rooks, but bishop b3 as an option. Bishop b3. Oh, it was on there. Okay. Ooh. I better think here. 23, 32. Okay, so Nimzo lost an attack. Take g4, g5. Make this pawn. h4. Knight d2, castle. He's not doing that, is he? Because of c6. I don't want to lose a2 in a hurry. Knight e4. Can I play for knight c4? Or f6? Oh, I've just dropped pawn there. Right, a4 might be useful. Okay, he's got knight c3. I hope this is not too dangerous. Knights. Block the bishop. Bring this rook to d2 or something, or rook h7. If I bring it to d2, there's bishop c3. Ah, I thought I was dropping a piece there. Can I take on c3 here to simplify? Difficult, actually. Okay. No, I don't want to drop g5. Ah! I think I've messed things up a bit. I can take this. Okay, liberate. Oh, no, hang on, I dropped c2. Check. Take a6. Get around here. Oh no, drop that one. Oh, why did I do that? Panic.
Draw.
Did I win that? Ah, okay. Okay. This guy's good. This guy's good. Let's accept a rematch. Let's go with the knight f6 move order. He's not playing c4. a6. the Gambit. I haven't got too much play here. I don't like this. He's playing for E5 in the meantime. That's nice. Try and get some counterplay. I don't know, this is a bit of a dodgy exchange sack to say the least. I'm doing the sound effects now. Oh dear, I'm doing the sound effects now. Why didn't I take on F6? No, because he's protecting that. Good point. C4. Oh. Oh no, what have I done? It's been mated. Oh! Ah! Let's accept the rematch. Try Smith Morat. Cracked up there. Maybe I could have played with that exchange sack a bit longer. So bishop f4. This diagonal could be dangerous. Let's check. Okay. Looks like it's a rematch. D6. Yeah, that is dangerous. Ah, don't like this. What is he doing to me? I've just got the piece trapped. This is C5. I've managed to get my piece trapped. That was clever. Actually, I've hitting E3 here. Might not be the end of the world. Okay, there's knight B4 to the rescue. Knight C3 coming up. Maybe full knight C3. No, it's stranded. I think that's going. Draw. Threefold repetition. That's weird. I didn't notice. Apparently, there's a threefold repetition there. Okay. Let's try this Smith Morra again. This b6 seems a bit, could be a points winner for me. I don't trust this b6 what he's playing here necessarily. Maybe I'm wrong. Q1, bishop c2, queen d3, e6. Oh, he can double damage the pawns. Is he taking that option up? No. Alright, let's go for some pressure on this e file. Maybe the pawns can be good here. Is he taking this c4 d5? Plan of c4 d5. He's taken away from me. It's not very nice. Try and get this plan back. Rook c2 and c4. Oh, the hanging knight. The knight's hanging. Ah, that's pain. King. Ah, this is a painful position. Hold on a sec. e3. King e3. Right, so c5 now. Okay, where's his knight going? Nowhere. Fix. Bishop d4 blockade. Pawns on dark squares against the bishop. Light square bishop. Prophylaxis. Blockade. Restrict. Blockade. Exchange. Simplify. Bishop f3. Right, my pawns are on dark squares. So I put the king over to this. I'll get the bishop to d7. This is the plan. Except I just blundered the bishop. Well done. Uh-oh.
Draw.
Oh, I blundered the bishop. Okay. What? One more rematch. Sicilian. Let's go with Lila's Najdorf. Apparently it's good opening. The Najdorf. Oh, okay, this pox with Queen d4. Knight f4 seems plausible. Bishop e6. Maybe a6. What about knight h3 check? Why didn't I consider knight h3 check? Oh, d6 is hanging. Uh-oh. No, not anymore. G4 might be good. On the other hand, no, I can't. I've got to have that peg there for the knight. This one, sort of form pawn scenario. Potentially. Okay, I did lose a pawn, but there's no entrance on d7. out. Oh, he's done that. Weird. Okay, let's hit the queen. Take the d file. Rook d1 is dangerous. Form pawn. But rook d1 looks dangerous. Oh, takes in an f2. Queening. Try and go for a mate then. Form pawn. Okay, alright, just one more then, one more. Okay. How comes my rating's gone to 1620? Does anyone know why my rating's gone to 1620? Oh, that's funny. My rating's gone to 1620. Crikey. I don't know. Oh, that's good, isn't it? That is funny. Okay, anyway. A bit distracting. More than a bit distracting, I think. Oh, there's queen e8 here. Will he spot that? Will he spot queen e8? Come on, you want to do ED, don't you? No? I don't want to get mated, actually. Okay. Keep the things closed at least. Can I double the rooks? Bishop c4. I'm not getting in that bishop c4 that easily. Apparently, bishop c4 has got the pressure on me. d7. Oh, I didn't mean that. That was dumb. Oh well. Okay, yeah, I don't know what's happened to my rating. I don't know. I'll play with someone else, I think. 2-2. My rating's come back. Hooray! Hooray! I've gone back to 2280 now. 2280. Positional. Very nice. Very nice. Very good. Until here, structural damage. This comes at a cost, surely. He's quick. I think I have to pre-move. Go away, insect. Somehow, okay. E3. Oh, this isn't convincing, to say the least. Okay. No. He held it very well. Okay, very good game by that guy. Let's have one more. I think I'll wrap it up after that. One more. I think it's, yeah, one more. Or not. Okay. Bullet ratings. Don't know. That might not be the case. Okay, there's the case. Okay, I think that's the last one. Tarash. Okay, let's play knight f3. Try and control d4 and e5. I'll take that. Bishop d3. Bishop g5 coming in. How dangerous is this? Bishop g3. Right, so knight d4 coming in. I was going to use the H file to hack me to death. I see. I don't know what to do here, but on the other hand, I don't know how he coordinates rooks that easily in this situation. But what do I do? No idea. I'll threaten mate, see if he spots that. It did. Maybe a form pawn will do the trick. Form pawn. Oh, no, I think I'm in big trouble. If it wasn't for the clock, saved by the clock. Okay. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this week. Alright, thanks. See you next week, yeah? Okay, have a good week. I'm going to stop here. Invitation bell. Okay. Cheers, guys. Thanks so much.